This style of dancing video are going viral right now, and this is something you should jump on. Take a look at the preview of the video we are about. I'm going to walk you step by step on how you can generate this style of video for completely free. If you miss any step in this video, you won't be able to achieve these great results. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. Now let's get started. So the first step we are going to follow is to open your TikTok. When you open your TikTok, what you need to do is to go over here where you see the search icon. Tap on that, and in the search area here, you are going to type this dancing baby AI. So once you type that and you search it, you are going to see different videos of dancing baby AI just like this. So what we want to achieve here is to take a screenshot so that we can use the pattern of image to generate our image. So there are different kind of babies here. If you like this cartoonish kind of image, you tap on that. If you like the realistic kind of image like this, you also tap on that. So for example, let's tap on this cartoonish kind of image. So once you tap on this, so what we are trying to achieve here is to get our facial expression, and we also want to get our posture. So let's say from here, you just have to play the video until you get to where she's standing straight. Okay, so this is better. So from here, what you need to do is to just take a screenshot. So once you take a screenshot like this, you go to your gallery. So what we are going to do, we are going to crop this image. So once you get your image like this, and what we are going to do next now is to go over to ChatGPT to generate that image. So here, when you get to ChatGPT, at the bottom side here, make sure you tap on this plus icon, and here you tap on photo. So we want to upload this photo from our device. So this is the photo. Just tap on the photo and then tap on done. After uploading the image, this is the prompt you are going to enter. Provide me with 3 different image text prompts that will look exactly as the reference image with different outfits and different background. Image size, make sure you include the image size 9:16 aspect ratio if you want to use the image for TikTok video or Facebook video or Instagram video. After entering in this text prompt, simply send it. So from here, we have our prompt 1. This is our prompt 1. And if you come down here, we also have our prompt 2, and we also have our prompt 3. Now, we have 2 ways you can generate your image. You can generate this image right from this ChatGPT, or you can use Wix AI to generate the image. I'm going to show you those 2 methods in this video. So for this first method, let's ask ChatGPT to create the image. But before you do that, so let's say this first image, that is what we want to create. So highlight the prompt, and once you copy it, then come down here in the prompt area here, enter create image, then paste in that prompt you copied and send it. And ChatGPT is going to start generating the image. While this image is still generating, let's go ahead and try out the second method. So now we are going to try out the second prompt, highlight the entire prompt and copy it. Once you copy it, this time around, we are going to use this website called Wix AI. So I'll leave the link to all these websites in the video description below so that you can access them. When you get to Wix AI, at the bottom side here, which is the text area, enter in the prompt which you copied, and now you are going to come down here, and from this place you select the aspect ratio. So once you tap on that, we have the 9:16 aspect ratio right from here, and that is what we are going to select. Select that and then tap on send to start creating your image. You can see how cool the image looks like. To download this image from Wix AI, tap on the download button here, and this image is going to be downloaded to your device. You can also download the second image that is going to be downloaded to your device. So now let's go back to ChatGPT and check the image that we generated. So now when you get to ChatGPT, since it is a baby image, you might encounter this challenge telling you that this prompt violates their policy. So that is why I'd advise you can use the Wix AI to generate your image, so you won't have any of those issues. So see how cool this image is. This is the first image, and then this is the second image. If you like this image, you can go ahead to use it. But if you don't like this image, we can still regenerate another image. But since I'm okay with this image, let's go ahead to the next step. So now we are going to go back to TikTok, and this time around we are going to search for a popular dancing persons for us to imitate the person's dancing style. So if you know any popular TikToker that create dancing content, you can search for the person. So for example, let's just search Purple Speedy. So from here you can see these are different videos, but this time around we are looking for a single video whereby she is dancing, and that is what we are going to copy. So for example, I get this particular video, this particular Tyler dancing trend. So once I get this video, now what we are going to do is to download this video. So to download video from TikTok, just long press on the video, and from here you see this download button, which means you can download the video. So tap on that and this video is going to be downloaded to my device. So now I have this video in my gallery. What we are going to do now is to tap on the video to open it, and then you are going to crop this video. So to crop this video, I'm going to just go forward. We don't want the video to be that long. All right, so this is the entire video now. So you can crop the video if you like, just trim the video down, but if you are okay with the video, you go ahead to use the video like that. So the next step is to go to your Play Store. Either you're using an Android or an iOS, you can go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for Kling AI. So when you search for this particular Kling AI, make sure you open it and then you install this to your device. After installing it, open it up. So before you start using this particular app, make sure you tap on sign in to use your Google account to sign into this app. So after signing in, you'll be given some credits. On the home page here, you will see Kling 01, you see AI image, you also see AI video. So what we are going to do on this particular place, you are going to slide to the left hand side just like this, and when you slide, you can see other AI tools you can use. So from here, this is the particular one we are going to be using, motion control. This particular one, that's what we are going to be using for our dancing video. So simply just tap on motion control and it's going to open up another place like this. So what we are going to do here, follow along perfectly. So from this place, this is where you upload that image which you generated using either ChatGPT or Wix AI. So tap on that place to upload that image. Now after uploading the image, the next thing is to upload that video which you downloaded as the reference video. So come down here and tap on this particular place. So now that the video has been uploaded, make sure you check here and see that the video you are trying to use is the one in green here. So after uploading that, then in the prompt area here, simply enter in this particular prompt. The character in the uploaded image should replicate the exact motions, expressions, and steps shown in the reference video. So after entering in that, at the bottom side here where you see 112 generate, that is where you are going to tap. So once you tap on that, your video is going to start generating. So since you are not using a pro version, you'll be placed on a queue, so you just have to come back later to check your generation. But if you are using a pro version, then your generation is going to be faster. So I'm going to show you the result of this video. So right here, after some few minutes, you are going to have your video ready. Now you can click on the screen to take a preview of this video, or you can come down here to click on this download button to download the video. But let's take a look at this video and see if the result of the video is accurate or not. This is AI, so sometimes you might have some distortion and all that. So what you need to do is to regenerate your video until you get the perfect result. So here is the video. So you see how cool that video is. So it comes with the background music, but if yours doesn't come with the background music, you can go to TikTok and add background music to your video. So you can use any character of your choice at all. You can use a popular celebrity to do this dancing video. You can use anyone at all, any popular footballer to do a dancing video like this. It is that simple. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to use the link in the video description to get access to this website.